Want to fix the handoff feature not working on your Apple Watch? Or need to turn handoff on or off? Well, don't worry. You can continue tasks from your Apple Watch to your iPhone without any hassle. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable the handoff feature on Apple Watch and fix any issues step by step. So let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on and off the handoff feature. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap General. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Handoff. Now enable it. If you want to disable it, then gently toggle it off. Solution 2. Update your software. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. If you still face the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Unpair and repair Apple Watch. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap My Watch from the bottom of the screen. Now tap All Watches from the top left corner. Then tap on the info icon next to the added watch. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. Again, tap Unpair Apple Watch. Then repair your Apple Watch. And this is how you can fix the handoff feature not working on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.